Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. I wanted to talk to you about a program that I've been involved in since September of 2017, earning a full-time income from home. For those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two, and I started looking at online opportunities back in 2015. And after struggling for over a year, I actually found something that worked, and I had my breakthrough online where I started generating a full-time income from home that has helped to literally set me free financially, but also gave me the time freedom to do the things that I love to do. And I'm teaching others how to do it. What I'm going to do is, of course, show you proof of the income that I earn, not to brag, but to show you what is possible, and then share with you the system that I've been using. For those that don't know, when you have an online business, you need traffic, okay? Traffic is king. That's what allows people to take a look at your opportunity. It allows you to build momentum, and it allows you to get the word out to people that are looking for what it is you have to offer. So what I do is I generate traffic on a daily basis, and that traffic allows me to bring in a certain amount of people on a daily basis to look at my opportunity. And what it is it's actually easier than a lot of people think. The one thing that holds a lot of people back from earning that full-time income from home, from being successful with that online opportunity, is commitment, the consistency. A lot of people want to work from home. They want that full-time income to spend more time with their family, but they don't have, their desire is not strong enough. Their commitment is not strong enough to actually do so. And that's extremely important when you are looking to earn a full-time income online. You have to be hungry. You have to be committed to what it takes. And you can't just give up as soon as you find, it feels a little difficult, or you see the next shiny object. You have to stick to one thing that works and work it until it works for you. And that's what I decided to do in the beginning. I was jumping around to a lot of programs. I was out there looking at a lot of things. Every time someone came to me with something that seemed simple in my mind and it seemed easy enough to earn a full-time income with it, I would jump to it. I would go ahead and take a leap for it. And what I realized is that it wasn't the opportunity that was holding me back. It wasn't the opportunity that was keeping me from earning money. It was traffic, and it was me being committed and consistent to one thing and sticking with that until I made it work. So yeah, I'm not going to go into much story about that, but I just wanted to share that with people because there's so many people that follow these marketing gurus, and they get into all of these different programs thinking that they're going to earn all of this money. It seems so easy, but not realizing that you have to have traffic. You have to have people looking at your opportunity, and then you have to have a business that has some backing to it, that's been around for a while, that's not going to be here one day and gone the next. You're not going to wake up and worry about the website being gone or them not paying you when they're supposed to. Okay, that's extremely important as well. And I can honestly say this program has been on for 10 years, going strong. I've been getting paid every single Wednesday with this opportunity. And it's allowed me to earn a full-time income and do a lot of things that most people can only dream of doing, okay? So the program that I wanted to talk to you about today is called the Power Lead System. And the Power Lead System, it is a traffic generation magnet. It allows you to go out there and drive traffic to your business opportunity if you have one, okay? And if you don't have a business opportunity, you can just promote the Power Lead System as a standalone product. Now with the Power Lead System, there's different levels that you can come in at. And what the levels do is it allows you to open up larger commissions depending on where you start. And it also gives you the ability to get the training that you need to teach you how to drive traffic. So of course, the higher the level, the more money you make, but the better quality of training you receive from 6 and 7 figure earners, okay, that teaches you their strategies that they have used to earn a full-time income. It's very easy to get started. The funnel literally takes 30 minutes to set up. And once the funnel is set up, you can start driving traffic to your funnel. We have the gold level being the lowest level. It's a $53 monthly payment. It allows you to get $20 residual commissions for each person that comes into your downline. You have the diamond level, which is a one-time payment of $147. It allows you to get unlimited $100 commissions. The platinum level is a one-time payment of $497. It allows you to get unlimited $400 commissions. And then we have the newest level called the Master Traffic Institute, which the training is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. But it also allows you to get unlimited $1,000 commissions, and you're going to pay $1,497 for this product. Right now, we get paid every single Wednesday. And this Wednesday, I made $2,389 for the week. This is for, a couple of weeks ago. And today, I made a deposit into my bank account in a total of $6,100 from the Power Lead system. Okay. So I'm going to share this information live with you guys. And again, not to brag, but to show you what is possible when you are committed to following the process that's given to you, sticking with the information that's given to you, and not giving up. Like I said, most people, they literally give up before they even really get started. And that's basically what the problem is. Okay. So this is my name. I just logged into my account, Amanda A. Ray. That's me, Amanda Ray. Nice to meet everyone that's out there. And going into my safe balance banking is where I was paid the money from Business Possibilities. That's the company that pays us. As you can see on June 13th, Priceless Possibilities, I had an ACH credit directly from the Power Lead system into my account for a total of $6,137.67. Okay. And guys, it's really that simple. It's that easy to get paid. Using a system like this, using a program. I do have a software that you can use that allows you to generate traffic, get traffic to your funnel. I'll show you exactly how to use it. It's a one-time payment of $47. That information will be in the description below. And that's made my life so much easier because it literally allows me to drive my traffic on autopilot to get people, targeted traffic, looking at my business opportunity on a regular basis. Okay. This system has everything that you need in it. Okay. The Power Lead system has everything. You get your domain here. You set up your order responder here. Your sales pages here. The different capture pages that you needed is included here. You have a quick, easy button, quick get started, where you can link your business opportunity to the Power Lead system. Okay. I can't say nothing but good things about this company. I enjoy being a part of it. I enjoy what it's doing for myself and my family. And I love that it's allowing other people to generate a full-time income and learn about the opportunity and get to make commissions, because a lot of people, they get in programs and it takes them 8 months, a year, 2 years to start generating income. And this one, with this program, you can do that much faster. It'll be more consistent, and the sky is the limit because the amount that you can make is unlimited. So I just want to say thank you for watching my video and getting more information about the Power Lead system. I want to thank everyone that's subscribed to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button to just follow my journey online. Okay. Inspired. I'm here to inspire people and to let people know that you can do this. If I can do it, and this isn't something that I went to school for, this isn't something that I went and got a degree on to do. I just decided and made a commitment, and my desire was strong enough for me to stay in it until I started seeing a full-time income. So I'm going to continue to share my journey and what it is that I'm learning and helping others, and then hoping that others will follow and do the same. So thanks again, guys, for watching my video. You have a great night, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.